From the house of Zaitoon, the master developers that brought you new Lahore city. Your city for life. A fully developed and delivered community housing project that has been satisfying our residents for over a decade now. And the flagship residential marvel, Zaitoon City, that has set the bar high with the record-breaking fastest delivery in Lahore. Now introducing the crown jewel of their 35 years portfolio in real estate. Zaitoon Lifestyle, LDA approved. Live your dreams amongst the aesthetic amenities introduced ever. A class apart, a luxury you see. A city of tomorrow and best of our expertise. Lahore is evolving to Zaitoon Lifestyle.
3, 5, 8, 10 मरला और 1 कनाल रेजिडेंशियल प्लॉट्स,
4 और 8 मरला कमर्शियल प्लॉट्स, 2,70,000 रुपए से बुकिंग और महाना किस्त सिर्फ 15,000 रुपए से. The yet to come has arrived. A project of Zaitoon.